Well, this here is the latest. It's a oblique trellis. Cut out a 2x2 rough cut cedar. And then I ripped the edges down to 1 inch by 1 3/4. Now I got a piece of cedar cap up on top there. I'm going to screw a little wooden ball to it. And anyway, building this for a customer. He wants 2 of them. So it's a lot of work. We had some rough cut cedar boards that were 2 inches thick and about 7-8 inches wide by 10.5 feet long. So there's a lot of work involved. All the screws were drilled, countersunk, and it's got Titebond 3 wood glue, waterproof. But this is her. Follow me along on NC-Woodworks. Maybe I'll set up a video on how I built this in the future. You guys have a good day.